You're not gonna react? Oh. Be careful, babe.
Hey, no, you're jigging. No, you're jigging.
What we do when we're bringing in groceries from outside. We put our cat.
Honey. Thank you, babe. Thank You're a jerk. Oh, let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
Buddy, what you doing?
What?
Look at her.
Could reframe exhibitions using this idea of intersectionality and the idea of Helen Molesworth's
Nacho.
horizontal display.
Nacho. Say Nina.
That is absolute.
Here we go.
He's inspecting.
Georgie.
He's inspecting.
Oh. You're.
Hey. Shazam, open up.
Now, Sadie, now what? You stop it. Get down. Get down.
A mess.
What you doing? Oh, she's clean up there.
Voila!
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Come on.
Here.
Oh, hey. I got a text from Joe.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Bro, can you get your tail out of my bath? Thank you. Okay, check it out. Hey, oh my days, look how it can come up. Even it's a little bit open. No, down.
What the heck? I'm not doing anything to you. Oh my god!
No, no quiero saltar hasta allá. No, no va a saltar.
This is Miss Catherine. Oh. Come on in. Oh!
lobster swaro. Among the tok tok swatiro.
Unless you get some of their life, meeting someone, being happy. But these devastated.
It's a freaking shark with a freaking laser beam attached to its freaking.
I ain't gonna lie, Luna, you a nice pillow. You know that? Oh.
¿Qué pasa?
Tócale.
No, este me da un poco más de miedo.
Yeah.
Cat. Oh, that is so sweet. Call me fucking Snow White.
I put off all the stuff I had to do until today. And now, ow.
Kelly.
Say what?
She say what? Do you hear it?
Iya, nggak boleh berhenti sok. Lagi.
Ozzy, come here. Come here.
You got caught in 4 fucking K.
Get the fuck out my goddamn toilet before I whoop your fucking ass.
Cripple the humans by destroying. Kids who made waffles. I'm not going to eat that.
No! Ew. Ah, no. Go down.
Kodak. Hey. You alright, buddy? You alright?
Ay, rompan ka niya!
Frank. Bro, I thought you was dead, motherfucker.
I would just like to say my life is complete when his hand curls around my finger, bro. Oh my god, my heart. Holy, oh wait, that might be a heart attack. 1 second. Oh no.
What?
Guys, ini tolong dijadiin sound ya, guys. Ding dang dang. Ding ding dang dang. Ding ding dang dang.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Would anybody like a cat? Anybody? Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please.
Wow. Okay. Shut up. You're fine. Stop. Come on, boo-boo. Finish your breakfast. Oh! What happened?
Hi.
See, he says hello. Oh, watch out.
What? Oh, sh.
Okay, ow.
Rip.
Rumbling. Oh!
How dare you do that to the Coca-Cola? Where did you get that Coca-Cola? Did you take it? And we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
Oh my god!
I have another goddamn cat stick his head in my Ruffles bag.
Get out of here, dude. He bit me.
Are you ready to bring it around? Okay, stand it.
Ow, bitch. You just choked yourself.
Kristen, bro, I'm gonna get the fuck over there. No.
Dajte. Jo, brat, dajte. Evo, bro.
Bagel, no! Bagel!
And
You ever just look at your cat and just like, meh. Meh.
Oh. I just want to make sure you're okay. You're not plotting anything, are you? Okay, I love you. Okay.
Maggie, why are you laying like that? You look so sexy.
Mom! Oh god.
Do not bother her. Get in your chair. Get in your chair. Get in your chair. Sit down.
All right, here's my cat. Do the thing, you know, with the likes and the shares, and make my cat famous. Go ahead. We'll wait.
My Jody. Toad can come over here, you crazy.
Lucky.
His fucking raccoon tail.
Lucky, it's fine.
Lucky, no.
Lucky, stop. Lucky. Lucky, stop. See, it's a screen. It's okay.
So alarmed.
Le robaría a nadie su hombre y menos ese marido gordo.
Ya no está gordo, le he ayudado a perder 10.
Il en met du temps quand même.
Hop là.
Bah il est où?
Là, il est.
Pourquoi il vient pas?
Attends.
Ah, il l'a.
Non mais...
알았어.